How can no one tag you in their videos on TikTok? Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to your profile. Then on your profile you will go here to this three line, click, then go to settings and privacy. Then on settings and privacy, go to privacy. Then on privacy, go to mention and tags. Then go to tags and change it to no one. And that's it. It will work with you. And also you can change it to everyone. You can change it to people you follow, like every choice you choose. And that's it. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.